Welcome back to our Adventures by Disney vlog. We'll be trekking across the Monument Valley Tribal Park, rafting through the Colorado River, and checking out the beauty that is Arches National Park. So, you're making fried dough for
me.
For we.
For we.
Okay.
For us. I'm gonna make it big. I'm gonna stretch it really big, and then we're gonna cut it in half.
I'm gonna capture this from the other side and just patiently wait for my treat.
All right.
Uh-oh, what's happening here?
I'm stretching it, trying to get like an evenly distributed dough going on.
Oh,
I'm already messing it up. Oh,
don't make a hole.
Take it from me.
Be gentle. Gentle. Whoa.
Wow.
John, you made an alien.
I did that.
I hope that's right. You made a little sombrero. Okay, so they said to add a little bit of honey to it, and it's a sweet treat. We're about to have this a Navajo taco in just a minute for dinner, but they let us basically make the base, which is the taco part. Whoa, whoa, easy on the honey, easy.
This is my side.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you made it, so you get first bite.
Okay.
Whoa, that is doughy.
Oh, you're gonna like it.
Yeah?
You gonna put a little honey on there?
I mean, there's like already so much. Oh, it's like, this is super flaky. Whoa. That's good.
It's good, right?
That is really good. All right, get back in the kitchen.
All right.
I needed like 20 of these. A traditional meal, the Navajo taco, made of fry bread. Good morning, guys. It is our last day in Monument Valley, and I thought I'd show you our hotel room because it is quite a sight to see. We have a living room and a bedroom just set up in here, and our own little mini kitchen with like a little table and a deck, which I'll show you in just a second. We got a fridge, we got a sweet little bathroom, and this is where we slept last night. We stayed up pretty late trying to capture the stars. I hope you guys liked that. Let me show you the view from out front. Out of this world gorgeous, am I right? How is this real? We're headed to Moab today. We're gonna do some whitewater rafting. My hair really isn't done. I don't have too much makeup on. I'm kind of just getting ready to get completely soaked. I guess it's really warm and the water feels amazing, so I'm ready to go all in for that. Monument Valley is a place I never thought I'd visit just because I had no idea how beautiful it was. There was a moment last night where we were chilling, eating our Navajo tacos, chilling by the campfire, and I was just like, dang, this is legit such an adventure. It's such an incredible experience that I couldn't have had on my own, and I just feel so grateful to have experienced it here in Monument Valley. Having such a good time. John is out getting breakfast. I'm gonna meet up with him in just a second. Look at me.
You ready to go? What are we doing?
I'm so ready to go. Okay, really awesome thing about Adventures by Disney is they have premium experiences, and one of them is rafting down the Colorado River. We have an exclusive local guide that's going to be taking us through, sharing awesome stories about the culture and the place, and we have our Disney guides coming with us. I'm just really excited. I have this guy, so we're gonna put the phone in here so that we can take you guys along with us.
It's gonna be so sick.
I know. I'm really excited.
Man.
I love rafting. This is gonna be so fun.
Not only is it like hot and amazing, we're gonna jump in this water and have the coolest scenic view ever.
Should we touch the water?
Oh yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Go.
Oh my god, it's so nice. I thought it was gonna be really cold, but it's fine. Okay, it's a little cold. Wait, no, I like it.
Oh, it's gonna feel so good when we're like
I know.
an hour in. Oh my gosh.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
You going for it?
Going in.
Woo! You got it. You got it. Hey.
We survived.
No,
it was
really
amazing.
good.
We had such a good, cool, relaxing time.
Yeah.
Oh, now we're ready to go back to the hotel and freshen up, maybe get some dinner. You guys aren't gonna believe our hotel right now. This is crazy. I gotta start from the beginning because we walked in and we usually film this at the end, but I was like, we have to film right now to show them.
This is amazing.
This is incredible. So I guess I'll just swing a left real quick, just show them the bathroom. Really nice. We're still all in our rafting clothes. Whoa, this mirror freaked me out. This is a closet. Oh, they got robes. We love when they have robes.
Yes.
There's the bathroom. Oh, nice. Look at all the towels are all lined up. Double beds. Oh my gosh, the ceiling looks amazing. Here's us again. Our TV. This is what we're really freaking out about. Is there's like a little den area. You have a couch. You have a kitchen table, a kitchenette, and we have a patio.
What?
Look it. Wow. We have a little area just to chill. A little deck. Things are just beautiful all around us, and that's just
amazing.
that.
This is incredible.
Okay, let's hurry up and get cleaned up so we can do some wine tasting.
Yes.
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 Cottage cheese and fruit. I ate all the fruit. A couple sausage, a little bit of eggs. I gotta go, I'm running late, but look how pretty this is. Some fun facts about Moab. It's the outdoor capital of the world with extreme sports like rock climbing, base jumping, you name it, they do it. We're here at Arches National Park. I got my stamp for my National Parks passport. I picked up my patch, and now we're about to go on a hike, and I'm so excited because everything around us is so beautiful, so iconic. I'm seeing stuff from amazing films like Indiana Jones. There's like awesome commercials and movies that have been shot here, but not only that, it's a beautiful national park, and it's my first time experiencing it. We're both really excited, right, John?
Yeah.
So pretty.
Oh my gosh, yes.
It is a hike. It gets really hot here. You have to be drinking water constantly. Isn't this beautiful?
Oh my gosh, yes.
So we made it to the top of Delicate Arches. There it is, right there in the distance.
Oh man.
We could probably go over there and snag a few photos if you want.
Oh, we definitely should. That looks pretty.
That was a hike.
Oh man, look at this view though.
Worth it. Worth it.
So incredible.
You having a good time?
Yes. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
We're double cameraing right now. You can see me in the lens.
Inception.
Delicate Arch is an iconic arch. It's on all of the Utah license plates. The crazy thing about all of this is at one point, it was all underwater. You have a good time?
Such a good time. Oh man, this was one for the books, man.
It's a good hike. With that special guided tour, that local. They knew so much about this whole area.
Yeah, I love getting educated on places that I've been. It makes me, like, it helps me remember them even more vividly when I leave.
It makes it all that much more special. Like,
it does.
We met so many people on this trip from like all different walks of life. We got a yoga instructor, a teacher, people work in the government, people who are nerds just like us. It's pretty cool. The pins!
I want the pins for me.
I don't have my pins on.
The Disney pins.
One of the coolest things about Adventures by Disney is every single day that you're on the trip, there is a pin of the day, and something will trigger that pin giveaway. But you collect them, and for people who do pin collecting or pin trading, these kind of adventures, you're only gonna get these pins on Adventures by Disney. So something to think about if you like collecting things. Can you imagine if we did all of them? We collected all of the pins.
And the stamps.
And the stamps.
Yes.
And it's so worth it too.
It is. It really is.
It's like a premium trip on top of all of that.
Yeah.
They take care of our luggage every single day. We're transferring from hotel to hotel. Zero hassle. We don't have to do anything. We just leave our luggage outside. They pick it up, put it on the bus for us. All we have to worry about is having a good time. This has been like the most relaxing adventure.
But then like also the most like thrill-seeking, adrenaline pumping. Like I feel like a legit cowboy. I can literally go home and like feel like my cowboy hat has like
I've
earned
seen
it.
some stuff, yeah.
Yeah,
right?
it's like legit earned it.
Alright, so our trip has finally come to an end. We're saying goodbye to Moab and all of the beauty that was just right outside our door. That has just been our view this past week. Man, Adventures by Disney has shown me a whole new type of beauty that I don't think I would have seen on my own. I'm sad.
I know.
This is it.
Sad too. This is so much fun.
Dang, what a cool trip.
I'll miss this.
Miss it, yeah. Miss my cowboy attire. My mountain woman attire. It's gonna show this cowboy hat. I have a feeling that's gonna stick though. I feel like all my clothes have been christened with adventure, so gotta keep wearing it. We're about to have breakfast and then we're heading to the airport, but man, this has been such an amazing trip. If you're thinking about booking an Adventures by Disney trip, I highly recommend it. You cover a lot of land in just such a short amount of time. It's hassle-free. The Disney guides were incredible. The local guides were, you know, from where we were visiting. They were so immersed in the culture. Every experience felt authentic and not, you know, just like gimmicky. It felt like everything that we did had purpose and was intentional. And the fact that it was an 18 and up adult experience was really cool too. I had never done something like that. And like the coolest thing is there's 35 destinations in 6 different continents. Did you know that?
What?
There's all these different places that you can explore and visit and choose from. Ours just happened to be the Southwest, which was, you know, Sedona, Grand Canyon, Monument Valley, and Moab. But they have them all over the states, all over the world. Like, adventures don't just stop.
We have to do more.
I know.
We have to
Well,
do
if you're
more.
into the pin trading, I wonder what all the pins look like. But not only that, it was just like so cool. It was such a good experience. All right, we're gonna go get breakfast. We're getting too emotional.
Okay.
It was really good. We had a really good
So
trip.
good.
It was a good trip.